I have been living here since 5 years or for 5 years. If you are not 100% sure, so keep watching it. Today we will going to fix most confusing grammar rules, which is since and for. So now I am let me explain where we can use since and where we can use for. So when we say any point of time, so we can use since, and when we talk about some period of time and duration of time, then we can talk about for. So so I will giving example one by one. So when we talk about second, it is coming in for, and minutes, days, hours, week, and month, year, decade, century. It is all coming in the four. And childhood, morning, evening, afternoon, 2 o'clock, and December, Sunday, December 2010, and March 2012. It is all come in the since. I am giving you examples like since morning, since 2 o'clock, since December 2020, and since afternoon, since childhood, and since Sunday, since Monday. It is all examples of since, and like for 2 seconds, for 10 minutes, for 1 hour, for 1 day, for 1 week, for 10 years, and for 1 decade, for 1 century. It is examples of for. So I will frame two sentences, one for since and one for for. So first I will start with since. I like to play this game since childhood. So and one example for. So I have been living here for 5 years, for 10 years, for 1 week. It is example of for. So if you are still confusing or now you are clear. If you are clear, please comment here, and if you are confused still, please ask me in the comment box what is your confusion. So I will also clear in the next video or immediately in that comment as well. So if you like this video, please like the video, and comment here, and subscribe my channel if you new, and press the bell icon. So please support me, and we will meet you in the next video with new topics. Till then, bye bye.